Is that your telephone? Is that Zoe's telephone? Who are you talking to? Who's on the phone?
Did you decide not to have the other ones? Did you put them back, Scott?
Oh, what is that?
Okay, this is the book that I'm going to give the boys. I'm going to write something in them, each book. And I'm going to read it at one of the daycare things. Good.